Let's read the story. The Little Elder Tree Mother by Hans Christian Andersen. In a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills and verdant meadows, there lived a young boy named John. John was an orphan, his parents having passed away when he was just a child. Left to fend for himself, he found solace in the companionship of nature. Near his humble cottage stood a beautiful elder tree with delicate, swaying branches adorned with fragrant blossoms. John cherished this tree dearly, for it provided him with shade during sunny days and shelter from the rain. One serene evening, as the golden sun dipped below the horizon, John sat beneath the elder tree, singing a soft lullaby. To his amazement, the elder tree began to stir and rustle its leaves, swaying gently as though responding to his melody. "Who is singing so beautifully?" a gentle voice murmured from the tree. "It's me, John," the boy replied, bewildered by the unexpected response. "Ah, dear John, you have been a faithful friend," the elder tree whispered. "I am your little elder tree mother, and I have watched over you since you were a babe." From that moment, an extraordinary bond blossomed between John and the elder tree mother. They spent their days together, sharing stories and songs, finding comfort in each other's company. The tree provided wise counsel and maternal warmth, while John nurtured the tree with his love and care. As the seasons passed, the village was struck by a severe drought that withered crops and parched the land. The villagers, filled with worry and despair, sought a solution to alleviate their suffering. In their desperation, they turned to the little elder tree mother for help. "Dear elder tree mother," they implored, "our fields are barren, and our wells have run dry. Please, help us with your wisdom and kindness." The elder tree mother, touched by their plight, offered a glimmer of hope. She instructed John to gather the villagers and lead them to a secluded spot where the root of the elder tree grew deep into the earth. "Dig here," she said, her voice tender yet resolute. "Dig with care and devotion, and you shall find what you seek." The villagers, guided by John, followed the instructions eagerly, digging deep into the earth. After much toil and perseverance, they uncovered a hidden spring bubbling forth with clear, revitalizing water. As the life-giving water flowed, the fields rejuvenated, and the once barren lands flourished with vibrant greenery. The villagers rejoiced, expressing their gratitude to the elder tree mother for her miraculous gift. But with the gift came a sacrifice. The elder tree mother, having expended her energy to provide the spring, began to wither and fade. Her branches drooped, and her leaves turned pale. "Thank you, dear friends," she murmured weakly. "My time here draws to an end, but remember, I will always be with you, in the rustle of the leaves and the whispers of the wind." With a tender sigh, the elder tree mother transformed into a beautiful, shimmering light that ascended to the heavens, leaving behind a sense of peace and gratitude in the hearts of all who had known her. John, now a young man, gazed at the place where the elder tree mother had stood, his eyes misted with tears of sorrow and gratitude. Though she had departed, her love and guidance would forever linger in his heart and in the flourishing lands she had blessed. From that day forward, the villagers cherished the memory of the little elder tree mother, sharing stories of her selflessness and the enduring bond between nature and humanity. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.